It's August the 22nd, 2025. I would like to do a video on reed canary grass, the below ground root structure, which I thought would be interesting for people who are into this sort of stuff. What I'm showing here is something I dug up yesterday when I was planting those sedges, and I washed it off. Washed off the dirt and have exposed the root system. And digging up is one way actually to control. If you have a small patch of reed canary grass, it's not a bad idea to dig it up, keeping in mind there's still a seed bank there. But what you see here is two separate plants connected by this rhizome. See that connecting the two? So it started at one of these and has gone out about 6 inches and formed a new plant, but they're all connected. Here's another rhizome going off, looking to start more plants and make this colony bigger and bigger. So that's what makes it so harmful to the ecosystem, is that not much can compete with this. So there's a debate going on, is it native, non-native? But the bottom line is, when it does form a dense mat like this, it will dominate the vegetation, and that's bad for diversity. So here it is again. Look at that. Not only these rhizomes, but this mass of finer roots, which you can see here. And you can imagine this spread out over huge areas of an ecosystem. And it will spread and form these dense colonies. And when that happens, you have a lot of work. It's very, very hard to eradicate. So try to prevent that from happening if possible. And one way to do that is provide competition. Sedges are particularly good at that, especially early season competition. Things that get going in the cool weather. So you want to compete against it from the get-go in the spring, and of course also with warm season plants, like your big blue stem, your more aggressive graminoids. But that's it for today, and there you have, here's the entire plant. There you have reed canary grass. Definite threat to our native natural communities.